The most useful hacks of this year. 1. No 0 days. No day should pass without some contribution to your objectives, however small it may be. Can't do a whole workout? Do 1 push-up. Can't meditate for 30 minutes? Sit for 1 minute. 2. The reverse bucket list. Create a list of things you've already achieved and experienced that you feel proud of. Look at your list on tough days to remind yourself of all the wonderful moments you've lived through. 3. The go one more mindset. When you're feeling close to your limit, challenge yourself to go 1 more. 1 is perfect because it's enough to push you slightly out of your comfort zone without overwhelming you. 4. Make a not-to-do list. Make a list of the 5 to 10 things that distract you most and avoid them at all costs. This could include no hitting snooze, no scrolling in the morning, no pointless coffee meetings. Overrated is choosing what to do. Underrated is choosing what not to do. 5. Write to your future self. Sit down and write a letter to your future self. 10 years from now, 5 years from now, whatever. Reflect on where you are and where you hope to be. Take action to make that envisioned future a reality. 6. Create a high-value network. Evolution designed humans to get along with each other for survival, which means you'll adopt the traits, habits, and mindsets of those around you. Reduce time with people who hold you back. Increase time with those who can bring you up. Alright, that's it for this video, everyone. Hope you enjoyed watching it and learning from it. Now, if you liked watching this video, then please do stick around and watch our other videos over here on Learn with Manzi as well. I am sure that our content won't bore and disappoint you. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you tomorrow.